This trucker was driving on a narrow, temporary lane created due to construction on the main highway. In front of him are two other 18-wheelers, all moving slowly and closely packed due to the tight space. With almost no shoulder and little room to maneuver, the situation was already tense. Suddenly, another massive truck from the opposite direction lost control. The driver tried to swerve off the road, but instead veered directly into the path of our trucker, almost resulting in a head-on collision. A wave of mud splashed onto the windshield, completely blocking the trucker's view. With visibility gone and no space to pull over, the situation turned critical. Fortunately, the windshield wipers cleared the mud just in time. Against all odds, the trucker managed to stay in his lane, and everyone on that road walked away unharmed.